Chapter 3. The First Step. Idea Generation. The success of any project starts with one simple thing: a good idea. But what do you do when inspiration doesn't strike and traditional brainstorming methods aren't working? That's where artificial intelligence comes in. It's not subject to emotional blocks, fatigue, or bias. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, from market reports and scientific articles to social media posts and comments, to give you fresh and unexpected ideas. The key advantage of AI in this process is its ability to think non-linearly. Unlike a human who often thinks in patterns, AI can connect seemingly unrelated concepts to create something entirely new. This makes it the perfect tool for finding groundbreaking ideas that are outside your usual scope. How to use AI for idea generation. To get started, you'll need a text-based AI like ChatGPT or a similar model. The most important thing is knowing how to ask the right questions. We'll use a multi-level prompting method to get the most detailed and high-quality ideas. Start with a broad prompt. State your main goal. For example, suggest startup ideas in the sustainable fashion industry. What are some niches for an SMM freelancer in 2025? Generate concepts for an educational course that helps people learn a new profession. Refine the prompt by adding constraints. To get more specific and viable ideas, narrow down your search. For example, add constraints on the target audience, budget, or region. Suggest startup ideas in the sustainable fashion industry aimed at college students with a limited budget. What are some niches for an SMM freelancer in 2025 for small businesses in the local services sector? Ask the AI to expand on a specific idea. Choose one of the suggested ideas and ask the AI to elaborate on it in more detail. For example, now let's dive deeper into the idea of SMM for local services. What specific services can I offer? How can I monetize them? What tools will I need? This approach allows you to not just get a list of ideas, but to immediately start detailing, evaluating, and turning them into complete business concepts. The AI becomes your assistant, helping you turn abstract thoughts into a concrete action plan. Finding niches with AI. Finding a promising niche is half the battle. AI can significantly simplify this process by analyzing trends, user queries, and the existing market. Instead of relying on intuition, you can use data to make informed decisions. Here's how you can use AI to find and analyze niches. First, analyze trends and keywords. Ask the AI for information on current and future trends in your area of interest. For example, what new trends are expected in the healthy eating sector over the next 3 years? Or what keywords related to digital marketing are gaining popularity in 2025? AI can analyze millions of news articles, reports, and search queries to identify the most promising directions. Second, identify audience pain points. A successful niche always solves a problem. Use AI to understand the difficulties your potential audience faces. Ask the AI to analyze customer reviews, forum comments, or questions on social media. A prompt might look like this. Analyze comments on forums for new parents and identify their main problems related to child rearing in education. Based on this analysis, you can offer a service or product that people genuinely need. Third, competitor analysis. AI can help you understand what your competitors are already offering and where their weaknesses lie. You can ask the AI, analyze the offerings of the 10 largest online design schools and highlight their strengths and weaknesses. What services are they not providing? This will allow you to find a unique selling proposition and carve out your own niche by offering something others don't. Example prompts for AI. To make this process more tangible, let's look at specific example prompts for finding niches. For a freelancer, I'm a freelance copywriter. Suggest 5 narrow niches where I can specialize, such as copywriting for financial startups or creating scripts for tech YouTube channels. Justify each niche. For an entrepreneur, I want to launch an online business. Analyze the educational services market and suggest a few ideas for a niche product that isn't yet available. These methods will help you move beyond obvious ideas and find unique opportunities that can form the basis of your successful project. From idea to action plan. Once you have found a promising idea or niche, the next step is to develop it in detail. AI is not only an idea generator, but also a powerful tool for creating comprehensive business plans, marketing strategies, and product concepts. Here's how you can use AI to turn an idea into a concrete plan. First, create a business model. Use AI to work through the key aspects of your project. You can ask, develop a business model for a freelancer who uses AI to create content for small businesses. Include customer segmentation, sales channels, cost structure, and revenue streams. Create a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for my online course on prompt engineering. Second, develop a marketing strategy. AI can help you develop a promotion plan. Ask it questions like, suggest a marketing strategy for a new startup that delivers farm-fresh products. Include promotion channels, a social media content plan, and ideas for advertising campaigns. Create a 1-month content plan for a blog dedicated to healthy eating using AI. Suggest topics for articles, videos, and Instagram posts. Third, detail the product or service. AI will help you define what your product will look like. Suggest 5 unique names for a mobile app that helps people meditate. Justify each name. Create a detailed description of the features for a new app that helps students manage their schedules and assignments. Important tips for effective work. Refine and repeat. If the AI's first answer isn't what you're looking for, don't give up. Repeat the request specifying more details. For example, the previous answer was too general. Focus on Instagram and suggest specific post formats, reels, stories, and carousels. Use role-playing. Sometimes it's helpful to ask the AI to play a role. For example, you are an experienced marketer with 10 years of experience. Develop a promotion strategy for. This approach will help you get a more professional and structured response. Combine AI and your own experience. Use the AI's answers as a foundation, but always add your own knowledge, experience, and intuition. After completing this stage, you will have more than just an idea. You'll have a detailed action plan. You'll be ready to move on to the next chapter where we will discuss how to create content using AI.